Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where quality speaks for itself. Today, we're taking a closer look at what might just be the best leather Dopp kit toiletry bag on the market, the Rustic Town full-grain leather travel toiletry bag. Crafted from full-grain buffalo leather, this Dopp kit stands out with a richness you can see and a durability you can feel. The leather is ethically sourced and hand-stitched, ensuring that every bag carries not only quality but also character. Over time, this leather develops a gorgeous patina, making each bag completely unique to its owner. This is not your average toiletry bag. It features two spacious compartments that are both lined with a waterproof material. Whether you're carrying shaving cream, cologne, or makeup, you won't have to worry about spills ruining your clothes or luggage. Measuring in at 10.5 by 5 by 6 inches, the Rustic Town bag is TSA approved, making it the perfect travel companion. It's large enough to carry all your essentials, yet compact enough to fit comfortably in your carry-on. Designed for both men and women, this bag bridges utility with timeless design. Whether you're heading to a business meeting, a weekend getaway, or a long international trip, it adapts to your lifestyle seamlessly. Inside, smart storage reigns supreme. The interior pockets help keep items organized and easy to access. Razors, toothbrushes, deodorant, and cosmetics all find their dedicated place. No more digging around a cluttered pouch. Functionality extends to portability. The sturdy side handle is crafted from the same quality leather, offering a comfortable grip when you're on the move. Whether it's hung in a hotel bathroom or perched on a countertop, this bag feels right at home. As a gift, the Rustic Town Dopp kit hits the sweet spot between style and practicality. It's perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or just treating yourself to something built to last. It's not just a toiletry bag, it's a statement of class and care. That wraps up our look at the Rustic Town full-grain leather travel toiletry bag. If you're someone who values premium materials, thoughtful design, and long-lasting quality, this bag deserves a spot in your travel gear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on another deep dive into products that matter. This is Product Critique, where quality gets the spotlight. Thanks for watching.